वेलकम टू द मनी टॉक्स क्योंकि पैसा बोलता है.
Hello friends, hope you are doing well. In this video, I will show you how to make Gmail account. So let's start. Open Google, type create Gmail account. Then scroll up, click on create Gmail account. Create account. First name, last name, required Gmail ID of your choice. Then password, confirm password, then next. If the ID is taken, then try another ID of your choice, then click next. Phone number is optional, recovery email is optional, date of birth, date, month, year, and gender. Click next. Read the terms and condition. Click I agree. And here we are done with our new email ID. Hope you enjoyed our video. Thank you.
So friends, if you like my video and still like to watch my another videos, then please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for your time. Goodbye.